Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. Well, I just took the strings off of, or started removing the strings off of this beautiful Les Paul here. And I want to control the hardware, keep it from flopping around or falling off, you know, just to save the settings, because I did set it up previously. You can do this, you know, for yourself if you got it set where you want it. Just a little rubber band trick, you know, easy peasy, just like that. You can do the same thing with your bridge, or you can use one rubber band and, you know, do the whole thing. Yeah, it's really not rocket science, but it keeps it from falling off. You know, if you turn it upside down, you're looking at the back or whatever, keeps everything in place and it's all good. Okay, anyway, that's your quick tip of the day. If you do have to do any adjustments afterward, it's like super minor. You know you're in the ballpark, and that's the important thing, okay? Anyway, as always, play loud, have fun, have a great day, like and subscribe. Cheers!